everybody, Dr. Nelson here. Let's see if you can try this problem of the day. So the question is, what percentage of the triangle is the semicircle? So notice we have a triangle and we have a semicircle inside. So the question is, what percentage of the entire triangle is made up by the semicircle? So this problem again involves percentages and area. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of the triangle. So we know to get the area of a triangle, it's area equals base times height divided by 2. And I know the base of the triangle is 28.6. And the height of the triangle is 23.4. And I'm going to take that product and multiply it by 2. So I know when I do 28.6 times 24.2, I get 669.24. And when I divide that number by 2, I end up with an area of 334.62 inches squared. So that's going to be the area of the triangle. So I'm going to write that down, area of triangle. Now we need to find the area of the semicircle. So to find the area of a circle, we know it's pi times radius squared. But because we have a semicircle, that's only half a circle, right? So we're going to take that formula, we're going to divide it by 2. Now, I know the diameter of the semicircle is 18.2. So I know that halfway across is going to be 9.1 because 9.1 would be halfway this way and 9.1 would be halfway this way. So the radius is 9.1. So to get the area of the semicircle, we need to do pi times 9.1 squared, and then take that and divide it by 2. Now, when I do 9.1 times 9.1 times pi, I get 260.02. And when I divide that in half, I get an area of 130.01 inches squared. So again, that's going to be the area of the semicircle. All right. Now, the last thing we need to do now is answer the question. So the question is, what percentage of the triangle is the semicircle? So for this, I'm going to use the percent proportion. And I know the total area of the whole shape, which is the triangle, again, is 334.62. And the area of the semicircle is 130.01. And again, the 100 always goes here, and n goes here. And now that we have two equal ratios, I know the cross products are always equal. So 130.01 times 100 is going to be 13,001. And that's going to equal 334.62 N. And finally, when I divide 13,001 by 334.62, I get an answer of, and this can be rounded, 38.85%. And that's our answer. So out of the entire shape, this semicircle takes up 38.85% of the entire shape.